Hello friends, I hope you're doing quite well. Here mega bundle of photo stock. Total size of this file 13.5 GB, but don't worry, I will compressed, and total files 848. First you need subscription for access of my all file. First go to sherryskpwt.com, just one time payment and lifetime access. Okay, so you see here these are JPG and TIFF file. Next 3D natural background 26.2 MB, just one file. Same thing, Christmas leaf frame, all are high definition. Blue flower background. Okay, okay. PDR, sorry, CDR for Corel Draw. 10.33 MB. You see resolution of file. Next, liquid. Okay, all files are high definition. Okay, I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me. Take care of this.